Yo, got an unusual lock here today. This is a Reece lock with a C. And as you can see, it kind of strikes you as an 1100 clone, but the key and the core is really something else. It's almost, grip this up. It's almost like a Kale Kill It 10 or a Sergeant Kiso. It's a 10-pin dimple lock with the pins opposing each other, top and bottom, right on top of each other. There's also a big passive pin, some kind of a key control or overset measure, but weird. Not a lot of information. Steel shackle, Reece. Okay. And I'm going to try to pick this open. So the passive pin is on the side of the keyway nearest to the top and bottom rows of active pins. And if I can stay away from it, I'll probably get this guy open. I'll just kind of work up and down, feeling for a binder, light to medium kind of tension. I'll just go up and down the top row, the bottom row, kind of back and forth. I feel like the pins are offset a little bit, which helps me not to overset one while I'm picking the other. I'm just using a black flag. Double-sided flag, the one that's not directional. Stuck. Oh, there we go. So we are open. Lock it back up. Unfortunately, this is not a real guttable lock. I'll show you what I can show you, but really, this is not repinnable. So we'll open back up with the key. This little Phillips screw and the shackle holder. There are two ball bearings holding the shackle in place. It's really a pain to put this thing back together, but we'll make do. Okay. What are we? There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, there she goes. Well, what I want to show you is that this is kind of a weird triple directional kind of a core. Fortunately, there's not a C-clip or really anything else here. We can... We're kind of... I don't know what this is. Kind of soldered in on 5 pins, top and bottom. There's space for 4 pins on the left, and we see the one passive pin kind of soldered in here. But this doesn't really, this Kiwi doesn't really let us do much. We can't pull it out or really anything. So this kind of is what it is. If I can give us a little bit of a look here, maybe backlight. Yeah, that's probably not great. But I think that's what I can show you. This is the Reece with a C lockout tagout apparently. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.